Check it out, y'all. Here's a quick little garden tour. It's what the garden's looking like right now. Been 100 degrees just about every day for 3 weeks. Started pulling some stuff. Welcome back to New Garden Road, where I share my love of gardening with you in a way that I hope will inform, inspire, and elevate you. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell. Stay up to date on all the garden action coming at you. That's right, time for a new garden. Got a bunch of beds cleared out, ready for planting. Got my garden all planned out. Made a little schematic type deal. Record keeping, that's important. Have you ever utilized shade cloth in the garden? I'm using a 40% shade cloth to cover all the plantings in this bed all day long. It's going to help them get established. They'll be better able to survive the extreme heat that we're experiencing right now. It will keep the soil a little bit cooler. It will keep it from drying out as quickly. And some of these plants will be ready to rock and roll in a few more weeks. But I will just keep it covered with the shade cloth until then, until the heat breaks and it's cooler on a consistent basis. I will keep them covered. Pretty simple little hoop house that I built here. 5 PVC arcs and some clips, using some rebar to anchor it in the ground. You can do that. You can check it out. Get those crops going in hot weather. Scarlet zinnia still rolling. Got a little bit of holy basil, some more volunteer zinnias. Oh, check this out. A morning glory trellis snapped in half. It was brand new bamboo. I'm kind of surprised, but it was pretty heavy. I just don't have the heart to remove the zinnias all the way. They're so pretty. I got them staked. They are in the way of where I want to plant other stuff, but I'm gonna keep them as long as I can. But yeah, check it out. Here's the okra, what's left of it. I need to cut back all these overgrown pods, and it'll start flowering and producing more pods. It'll continue to do that. But yeah, just got back into town after a week away, and you can see if you don't pick the okra, it keeps growing. I cut back this tithonia. It was full of spider mites and spent blooms. It's starting to come back. I'm hoping I'll get a good fall show out of it. It was such a nice form. Some of the other zinnias and the squash that I cut back in here, they're still around. Squash looks pretty good. It wants to keep going. That's probably 2 plants. Yeah, here's the rest of the garden. Most of what's left is the southern peas here. I noticed they're putting on a good flower show this morning. We had a little bit of rain, and I think they're ready to get rolling again. But there's a lot of dried pods on there that I'm going to harvest. And still lots of bees, tons of bees. Yeah, so here are the cosmos that I'm really in love with. Really beautiful. They're going to keep blooming. Check out all these citrus trees right here. Got a little citrus grove. A few more right there. All kinds of citrus. This kumquat tree is starting to bloom big time. I was around the corner and I smelled them. I smelled the sweet scent. I knew it was happening. Here's the other one. It's blooming too. This is the Chang Shao. The other one is the Meiwa. They're all blooming. This is the key lime right here. Then we got the Calamondin. Calamondin is blooming. Also has some ripe fruit on it. I got 6 hibiscus blooms on this plant this morning. I love it. I think it's one of the most special and showiest flowers you can grow through the summer. This is the Sambac jasmine, used for jasmine tea. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell it. Wish we had some smell-o-vision, y'all. But yeah, that's the garden right now. Got it wide open, got a plan. Next up, along with removing some more of this vegetation, it's gonna be top dressing. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some tips, and I hope you're planning to grow a big old fall garden. Leave me a question or comment below, and as always, keep it organic.